Hi, if you are a company secretary or a chartered accountant, you shouldn't be missing this video. Friends, you are partners for nation building. Whenever there is any query regarding the intellectual property rights, first of all, the clients come to you for chartered accountants and company secretaries most of the time. I am Naveen Kumar, managing partner of Oscar Legal Services, dealing with patents, trademarks, copyrights, and designs, and having 15 years of experience in handling these issues. Friends, I have seen several times several clients coming up to me and saying that they have filed a trademark or patent which is actually not registered, and they're having facing issues at the registration office, like that is parent office or the trademark office. Most of the time these trademarks and copyright designs or patents are actually coming from the chartered accountants or company secretaries. So something what I would like to make you understand is that these trademark registrations and copyright registrations and patent registrations are actually going through a process. That is, as soon as we file the application before the trademark registry or a patent registry, the trademark is actually going to be examined, and then after this examination is done, then the trademark office or the patent office will give objections whether this has to be given or not. At this point of time, what happens is, because of lack of due diligence done before, the trademarks or the patents are not getting granted. Now in this scenario, what is happening is the client is actually getting loss. So what I would recommend is that, because this process entirely goes, when you take the trademarks, it takes minimum of 6 months and maximum it can go up to 2 years, and if you take the patents, it makes minimum of 8 months if it is a startup, or it may go up to 4 years as things are. So it's very, very essential that this has to go through a proper legal channel in the legal process, where the clients get exactly what they require during the registrations, because this is not like a registration that is a labor license or a GST registration where you just fill in the details and you get the registration. So as a chartered accountants and as a company secretaries, you need to understand in this aspect where these trademarks or patents or copyrights and designs has to go through a proper channel. I know company secretaries, you do directly, you can handle it, the trademarks part, and then you can file it. Yes, of course, because you already done. I've seen some company secretaries as well who has actually done some real blunders where the client actually invested a lot of money in those brands, and then they are right now recouping the losses because of the non-availability of the brands. Fortunately, they didn't had any litigation from the deceptively similar trademarks from the owners. So there, the credibility of such a partners who are helping the nation building is very, very essential. So your contribution to them to go through a proper channel in the proper process is essential part. Forget about the commercials. I'm not here to talk about any commercials. It's important that these clients have to have a proper strategy in place when they are starting a new brand name, and then a technology, new innovation, patents or designs and copyrights. IPR as a whole is a strategy by itself. So friends, I request you to kindly guide them in a proper way, where the client's reputation and goodwill and association which you hold for a long time will not go into waste because of one small wrong decision. So I know there are so many people who give services just like 5999 or whatsoever. So please make a wise decision before you keep your reputation at stake. This is Naveen Kumar from Oscar Legal Services, IPR attorney from Hyderabad. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Thank you.